Weather alert for you. The first snowfall of the season, leaving a slushy mess on a lot of our roads. A little extra time needed to clean off your car today. In fact, look at this. Live picture now at 295 at Route 44 in Smithfield, the northwest part of Rhode Island, seeing the most snow between 1 and 3 inches.
The accumulation isn't much, but the storm is causing some damage, bringing down power lines here in East Providence. At last check, nearly 3,000 National Grid customers were without power. There are just over a handful of power outages in the south coast of Massachusetts. We have team coverage of today's snowfall. Our Brittany Schaefer is standing by with cleanup efforts. But first, Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center with the latest forecast. Tony, it was pretty snow out there today.
It's a wet, sticky snow, so clinging to some of the tree limbs. And we're still tracking snow right now, but it is easing up in terms of intensity for a time. It was coming down at a pretty good clip, a sharply colder day as well. Let's take you outside with still some light snow showers and some fog, but not quite as heavy as it was a couple of hours ago. Now, you take a look at North Kingstown and you get a close look at the ground. And in North Kingstown, it's just a trace amount of accumulation. We'll get rid of that banner and we'll show you that one more time. So, you know, the snowfall amounts range from almost 0 along the coastline to as much as 5 inches in some parts of northwest Rhode Island. So only in Rhode Island you can get a snowfall between 0 and 5, but that was pretty much the deal. Now, if you kind of look through some of the ice on the camera lens in North Scituate, still getting some snow, though it is a lot lighter. Picked up anywhere from 3 to 4 inches in North Scituate. What's left of the snow, the area in blue, see how it's starting to break apart and be lighter? It is tracking off to the east, so it will be ending from west to east in the next roughly 1 to 2 hours, followed by clear skies. Some overachievers as far as the snowfall, the northwest part of the state, Pasco, and that would include Burrillville as well. 5 inches, Cumberland 4.5, North Smithfield 4.2, West Warwick 3, Cranston 2.7. A lot of this actually measured on either grassy surfaces or patio decks. It was a very pavement-friendly snow, and that a lot of it melted on the pavement. However, in the northwest corner of the state where it was much colder, some slush on some of these secondary roads as temperatures are near the freezing mark, including 33 in Providence. So here's the breakdown for this evening. We'll continue to see clearing and drying along with very cold temperatures dropping to the upper 20s. Just be mindful of the pavement obviously is still wet, and with temperatures falling below freezing, there'll be some icy spots, so be mindful of that, but it will be clearing out. Full forecast Halloween outlook coming up in a few minutes.